Hello friends, hope you are doing well. In this fast-paced era, we are bombarded with lots of stuff at a time, and it becomes challenging for us, not only to manage the tasks, but also to remember them. We forget the tasks we thought we would do, and then it becomes frustrating when the tasks stack over each other, making our routine miserable. But now you don't need to worry, because I am going to show you the two best and most free to-do list tools, which can help you manage your daily tasks and help you achieve them on time. So let's dive into the video and learn about these two free to-do list tools. Let's start with the first one. That is Microsoft To Do. Whether you are using Windows, Mac, Android, iPhone, iPad, or any web, this tool is the best asset for you. It comes with Windows 11, so you don't even need to download anything to get started. And it is free to use. First of all, go to the Search tab and type Microsoft To Do. Then you will land on a page like this. Here you can create lists, complete with custom icons. You can add dates for tasks, and then view your tasks for the day. There is an option of My Day, as you can see on the screen. In the tab given below, you see the option of Add a Task. Just click here and write various tasks for the day. Now, as you can see, when I added the task to go to gym, then on the right side, I can set the date, reminder, and recurrence of that task, either weekly or daily. So that's how you can add a task to your day. You can also write it like offer prayers at 6 p.m. Other than this, in the left bottom corner of the screen, you can see an option of New List, where you can add a list of tasks for yourself. Let me write a list for myself. I name this list as My List and add various tasks that I normally do. After you write a list of tasks for yourself, you can go to the My Day tab and click on this bulb sign, and on the right side, you will see the tasks you had previously saved. Here you can click on this plus sign to add any task that you want to add for your day. To add a reminder or to add a time for your task, just click on the task in your My Day list. Click on the task, and here on the right side of the screen, there are many customization options, which include setting a reminder, a due date, and the option to repeat if you want the task to be repeated for the upcoming days. So, this is how you can use this tool for your daily activities and become more productive. Overall, this tool is an all-rounder where you can plan your daily tasks with the My Day view. You can add tasks with natural language. You can access your tasks even from your phone with the same ID you have logged into this tool. However, there are not any customization options, which is one of the shortcomings of this tool. The second tool in the list is Week To Do. To access this tool, you can simply search for Week To Do in your browser and click on the first link that appears. After that, you will get two options, either to download or get started on the web. I don't want to download it now, so I will click on the Get Started option. After that, you will land on a page like this where you have the schedule for the full week. It starts today and continues onwards. You also have options like Custom List, Grocery List, and Ideas that you can customize as well, and write your activities there and keep a reminder for yourself. So to add tasks, you simply click on the options below the required day and add your tasks there. Here is how you can do it. This is how you can add tasks to your schedule. When you click on the three dots at the right end of your task, you will see many options. Here, you change the date, set the time, set a timer. Click this option if the task is to be repeated daily or weekly. And you can give color to your task using this option. As I had selected this activity to repeat daily, so it has been listening on every day, and it has gotten a red color as I had done so. So, this is how you can use this tool for your daily tasks and productivity. The things that I like the most about this tool are that it is free for everyone, and it takes care of your privacy. It focuses on planning tasks rather than just making lists. It is appealing to work on this tool as it gives customization options and an easy-to-use interface. It is good for viewing everything at once. However, it cannot be used on mobile phones, which is one of the cons. This tool can be operated on Windows, Mac, and Linux. However, it cannot function on mobile phones.